In this video, we are going to see how we can make the payment against the vendor pending balances. So here we have two transactions. One is of 28th of January and one is of 29th of January, in which in both of these, we are making the payments to our suppliers via Citibank. So first of all, we just head over to the accounting application and click on vendors and locate the bills by just clicking on the bills. And the total bill is of Wallace & Sons, which is against a single invoice of 277,500. Let's select this bill and we are receiving the payment against that, and we are paying against this bill. So just select this and click on pay, and you can notice that the journal is already selected to bank, but what's behind that we don't know. So instead of making the payment right away, just close out of here and let's check the configuration first. I'll just go to the configuration and click on journals. First of all, we need to make sure of some things. In the bank account should be linked to Citibank, but also if you are receiving any kind of incoming payments or you are making payments to the suppliers, you will need to make sure that it is selected to manual payment and batch deposit, whatever. But after that, the account should also be selected to the relevant account, which is Citibank in this case. So we will just write here Citibank so that we can identify that we are using the proper journal name, which is associated with the right accounts. And also in the outgoing payments, we can link it to the manual payment, which goes under the Citibank. And let's save this. Let's go back to the vendors and bills again and select this bill. And now we want to pay this. Bank name is now Citibank. It's connected to the right accounts. If you want to select and create the details of the recipient account name, like their account number, clearing number, and all the details about the vendors, you can save it right here. And out of this total balance, we are paying only 175,000. The payment date is 28th of January. So let's make it 28th. Under the memo, I'll just copy and paste this memo right here. Now it's showing that there is a payment difference. The total amount of invoice is 277,500, out of which only 175,000 is paid. So what do you want to do with the rest? Just keep it open. Yes, we want to keep it as open. Click on create payment and it will be shown as paid directly. If we go to the vendors and click on payments, it's shown as paid. But after that, we need to make sure that the ledger should also be updated with the updated records. Click on reporting and click on partner ledger. And now if we check the Wallace & Sons, we see the payment against this bill. And now the closing balance is shown as 102,500 is pending only. So that's how it is done. Let's move to the next transaction, which is payment made to Apex Enterprise by check. Just go to the vendors and locate the bill. Choose Apex Enterprise. Just click on pay. Paid against the Citibank. All good. It's 150,000 which we have paid. The payment date is 29th of January. Make sure that you select the right date, 29th of January. Under the bill or memo, I'll just copy this narration, paste it right here. I want to keep open the remaining balance. Click on create payment and it's directly shown as paid. After that, we just head over to the reporting and click on partner ledger. And we want to make sure that Apex Enterprise ledgers is updated. So we have the payment and the bill both showing in this ledger. And that's how we make the payment against the vendor pending balances. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.